Hi, this is Rony Mullick, and you are watching the Post Market Show. Today's market, it was a monthly expiry, and if you look at yesterday's video, we did talk about a trending expiry because it's a monthly expiry. They are usually trending, and that happened. We also talked about a gap up opening, and if the gap up is sustained, then there could be an up move that wasn't sustained. And also we talked about a down move or any up move after 12 o'clock is going to sustain, and that also happened. So if you have watched yesterday's video, possibly you have made good profits today. It was again a downtrending expiry. Things are looking negative because again expiry related issues are always there. FIIs sold heavily today, and most of the sectors are also down. So, and it was mostly the banking stocks which was making the market come down so much. So let us get into the charts and see. So you can see the markets, we had a gap up opening because US Fed interest rate decision. It came out as expected at 25.5 basis point hike was announced over there. So everything was looking positive. Our markets opened with a gap up, and then what happened? Markets fell, and it did take support around 19,730 for some time. Again, that was broken, and we had a fall till 19,600, and then there was then it shot up in the last half an hour, but it was Nifty was down by, if you look at the day's high to day's low, it was down more than 260 points. So overall Nifty down by 0.6%. Bank Nifty was the main reason for the bearishness, down by 0.83%. Bank Nifty, you can see it opened with a huge gap up above 46 to 58, and we did talk about a resistance level around here, and markets tried for the second time to break this level. That could not happen, and you can see a big down move, and it takes about around 45,900 as expected for a half an hour or so, but that did not sustain, and again markets fell. And where did it come? It came as close as 45,580, and then it shot up a little towards the end. So you had multiple opportunities to short if you were waiting for the trend for the second half. Even that was good. We did talk about the 45,900. Once that is broken, you can expect a momentum towards 45,650. That also happened. So multiple opportunities for going short in the market was definitely there. But mid caps and small caps are looking positive despite the round move. They have red candles, but overall they are up by 0.27%. Mid caps, small caps up by 0.13%. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors have ended in the red. They have they came down, and but there are three sectors which stood out, and they are positive, especially the pharmaceutical index. Nifty Pharma up by 3.05% on such a bearish day, definitely helping the markets. Also Nifty Reality down by 2.12%, and Nifty PSU Bank index up by 0.5%. These were the sectors which were up. Apart from that, all sectors have gone down today, and it was mostly the auto sector down by 1.2%, and then we have the Nifty private banks which caused a fall in Bank Nifty as well, and private banks are down by 1.03%. Even financials were hit. They are down by 0.78%. FMCG down by 0.69%. Reliance Industries down by 0.7%. So all over we see a negative day. And even the FII DII activities, you can see FIIs who have been net buyers for all these days chose to book profits or sell for close to 4,000 crores today, and DIIs today have become net buyers by 2,500 crores, but that was not enough buying as compared to the selling by the FIIs. So this is the current situation of FII DII activity. And talking about index movers, we are seeing that pharmaceutical stocks are up. Cipla 9.6% up, Sun Pharma up by 2.06%, and also we have Infosys, TCS in the top movers. On the downside, we have HDFC Bank, Axis Bank. After results, it fell today. This is exactly what we are talking about, coming out with very good results, but what is the stock price on the next day? It falls. So that is the nature of the markets. And apart from that, we have Reliance Industries falling Mahindra and Mahindra falling by 6.3%, and even ITC fell by 1.5%. So, and you can see most or almost 2/3 of the Nifty 50 stocks have ended in the red today. So, not a good day, I would say. And monthly expiry is over now. So, let us look into the US markets and see how things are going over there. So, before doing that, let us look into the economic calendar. So, we talked about the Fed interest rate decision coming out yesterday at 11:30. It came out at 5.5%, a rate high by 25 basis points. And apart from that, we today had the ECB interest rate decision. That was the European Central Bank's decision that came out, and they also hiked the interest rate by 0.25% or 25 basis point. Previously it was 4, now it is at 4.25. Now let us look at the impact on it on the global markets. US markets right now, huge gap up. S&P 500 up in the green by 6.63%. Dow Jones again up. I think for the 14th straight trading session it is up, and up by 0.3%. And Nasdaq is recovering beautifully, 1.3% up. Looking into global markets, the European and Asian markets, all of them seems to be doing very well. UK markets up by 0.39%. French markets are up significantly by 2.05%, and German markets, you can see huge green candle forming, 1.7% up. So that was the after the rate hike decision. It came in line with expectations. So the European markets are moving up with a lot of strength. Talking about the Asian markets, Hong Kong markets moved up today by 1.4%. Japanese markets are up by 0.68%. Even Korean markets are also up by 0.44%. But only market which is weak was the Chinese market by 0.6%. So overall, you can clearly see that the global markets are looking pretty bullish. They are all in the green. And coming to crude oil prices, beautifully, crude oil is at 80.55, up by 2.12%, and that is absolutely in line with expectation. We did anticipate this move, and it is happening. So very, very good to see that. Gold prices, on the other hand, has a negative situation. It is coming down 1.3938%. This was not expected that much, but we did expect it to take support around 1950, but that did not happen. It came and broke that level. It is at 1944, and if this continues, we can expect a down move, and support should be around 1923. So let's see if gold recovers by the end of the session or not. Coming to dollar index, it has shot up today by 0.73%. India rupee has depreciated by 0.27%. So it is at 82.15. So once again above 82 rupees per dollar. So not a good sign. And there's not much to discuss about open interest, because tomorrow is Friday and a new series will start, August series, and people would take positions tomorrow. So it's not that important, open interest. But looking at the markets, we can see Nifty on a close to close basis ended at 19,659. So the only if you want to go bearish, we have to look at either a gap down opening or it's a flat opening and market breaks today's low of 9,600. In that case, markets can come down to 19,566 and 19,523, but there are multiple supports around that. 19,500 looks like a very, very strong support, should not be broken, and in case there is an up move, but chances of that happening is unlikely. So unlikely in the sense it can move up maybe till 19,730 or above that, and not expecting the markets to move beyond 19,800 tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Chances are very, very high that tomorrow can be an inside candle because of the huge up move, down move today, and global markets are positive. We will expect a gap up opening, and when gap up opens, with what happens, people come and book profits. That makes the markets come down. So overall, it could be a consolidating day with a good amount of volatility, and today's high and low should be maintained tomorrow. If either is broken, expect an upward or downward trend happening in that direction, but the chances are less. Talking about Bank Nifty tomorrow, what to expect? Same here, Bank Nifty was looking kind of bearish because 45,600 have been tested twice now. So in case there's a gap down opening or the market breaks today's low, you can expect the markets to move down to 45,380 levels in that case. And since I talked about global positivity, expect a gap up opening. So in case there's a gap up around 45,900, then it could be a consolidating day overall, because upside there are resistances, multiple resistances around 46,100. Down below we have supports around 46, 645, 650. So it could be a consolidating day with huge volatility. Maybe on a close to close basis it might not move anywhere, but the range, intraday range, could be a big one. So this is all I have to discuss regarding tomorrow. And also, being a Friday, Fridays are trending, but back-to-back trending days are not usual, because today was a monthly expiry. It was a trending day. Let's see what happens tomorrow. It's likely to be volatile, and I hope it goes well for you. Thank you for watching, and have a very good night.